your guys send me an email about. So if we do a SEO on that video, it will start working without campaign.
Yeah. Our teammate Saiful has said you that if you take our service for your 1 or 2 videos, then if you get good results and if you think our service is better and you if you satisfied, then you can hire us for a week or month. But YouTube SEO, we have two packages. One is weekly packages and another is monthly packages, and we have per
Okay.
video packages also. So for weekly packages, we will do 10 video SEO for a week, and it costs $120. And for a month, we will do your 30 video SEO for a month, and it costs $300. But at first I suggest you just take our 2 video services. Per video $10. You just take 2 video SEO service, and if you satisfied with our work, then you can go for long.
Okay. $10, it's okay, no problem with that. But my question is, if we do SEO according to you, we fix everything with my previous video, so it will start working without Google ads, like
Yeah.
only with the SEO.
Only with the SEO, because SEO is the organic method. We will do high volume rank tag research for your videos, and when you put that videos put that tag to your videos, then it will grow gradually without boosting, without Google ads.
Okay. And you will send me all that, and I have to fill everything in my video, like the tags and everything, because I have all control of my channel on myself. Because how you gonna edit my tags? You
Okay.
will send me the tags that you
Okay,
should
sir.
add this tag.
We have two system, we have two method for that. First one is you can give us your channel access as a editor or editor limited, and we will do ourselves everything. But second method is, if you don't want to give us your channel access, then we will research your title tags, and we will send you a Google spreadsheet or Google doc sheet to you, and you have to put your title sections, tag sections by yourself.
Okay. Okay.
So
All right.
so which method do you choose, sir?
Like my channel is I speak everything. I am the main face. Like we have like 2 3 guys, so I have to discuss with them.
Okay.
No problem. I was looking for some kind of service, and I will let you know. Like I am very sure we will take some service from you. No
Okay.
problem with that. For 1 or 2 videos, if it goes well, we will take a big package. Like I am a regular YouTuber, but
uh,
not from very past. I started last year. You already checked my channel, but now I am very regular, like every week I'm putting some videos. So next this week video is already ready.
okay.
So what we can do is, we can do one video for my previous one, the one your friend sent me an email, and one fresh video. I think fresh video, if you put all the tags according to you, that will perform much better,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
uh, I think so, because for a
Yeah,
new video, it will give better results. So
yeah,
we
yeah.
can do this thing, one previous video and one fresh video.
Okay.
So we will go that way. And let me discuss with my friends, and give me your personal, like how can I contact with you, your WhatsApp or something kind of,
Okay.
because
Okay.
so that we don't need to wait for this meeting. Now I know everything.
Okay.
So
Okay.
just give me your contact number. We can discuss like this video or that video. You can do your work.
Okay, sir. Just you send us those specific 2 video link to our teammate, and he will starting work. And after finishing the work, then he will hand over to you. And after completing the work, you have to pay, and not advance, sir. Okay, sir. Per,
Hmm.
per video $10. And if you found something good, something if you have satisfied with our work, and we hope to work with you for a long time as you working regularly, sir.
Yeah, no problem. I already told you, if I am satisfied with your work, I will hire you guys. No problem with that.
Okay. Okay,
But the
sir.
only thing I have to discuss with my friends, because I
Okay.
am not the only one.
Okay.
I
Okay.
hope you understand that.
Yeah. No problem,
Like
sir.
you also have a team, I
Yeah.
also have a team. So I have to discuss with everyone that we are going to take some changes. So if they agree, they will be agree.
If you have any further questions, then communicate with our teammate Saiful. Do you have WhatsApp, sir?
Yeah, I have.
Yeah, kindly give your WhatsApp number to Mr. Saiful, then he will communicate with you. And if you have any further questions, then you also can communicate with him. And hope to work with
Okay.
you. Hope to work with you for a long time. And thanks for your
Yeah,
time, sir.
no problem. Thank
Yeah.
you, brother.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay. Bye for
Okay.
now. Bye for now. Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah.